Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to check the saved post on Instagram. So let me show you what is saved post and how you will check. First I will show you that what is saved post. Like if I click this icon, this is called save and it will save on my Instagram library. Let me show you how will I later check this. I will click on the profile icon, and here I will click on the three line icon at the top right corner, and now proceed to setting. Under setting option, I need to click on the account section, and here you can see that there is option called saved. Click on this option, and now you can see that all posts which we have saved previously will be shown. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to save post on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.